playing with Cinny at the moment. It's really, really great news. So he didn't die through the night, which is the most amazing thing. I was so sick until the vet opened this morning. Like, I was just so sick, so worried about him. But he's still not 100% better. He's still quite sick. Like, one side of his face is all droopy. You know, one of his eyes doesn't close. Like, you can definitely see the effects of the tick. But you know, the doctor, the vet, said he was good to come home. We just can't let him exercise, we can't let him move. He has to be in air conditioning, things like that. So, but it's so good to have him back. Like, it was such a scare yesterday. Like, you know, I haven't eaten anything since I heard about the tick. Like, I feel so sick in the belly. Like, I just couldn't eat anything. But it's amazing how stress and like shock like that affects you so much. Like, physically I couldn't eat and I was like dizzy. Ugh. But he's all good. Like, it is such a relief. I'm just so happy. Like, it's the best feeling to know that he's you know, he'll probably make a full recovery if we look after him, give him his tablets, keep him cold, well, not cold, in a you know, not cold, not hot environment. That's all we've got to do, and just make sure he doesn't exercise or anything, and he should make a full recovery. So I am just so happy. We're not 100% out of the woods yet. Like with tick bites, it can take days after the tick, they can die. So it's pretty awful, but you know, he's definitely looking really good. So we just got to keep a close eye on him, and hopefully we'll be out of the woods. Thank goodness. I'm just so happy. How you doing, Cinny? Okay. Say hello to everyone. Oh, darling. I'm gonna put this down now.